A sound rings out, a cry for help. A fish out of water has just collapsed. Wriggling by the edge of the water hole, there are more on the drying waterbed. We need water, water, water in our water hole. A sound rings out, a cry for help. A bird chirps around a fallen tree. Its nest is gone, it was in the branch, cut by the machines from the city. We need trees, trees in our forest world. Cut one tree, plant 10 trees, fill your place with greenery. We need air, we need trees, we need water. We need nature. Save nature, save life. Thank you.